I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Christmas or Hanukkah bow. It's super simple to make, so let's get started. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire. I'm going to cut a piece that's long enough that I can fold it in half and also tie it on if I want to put this onto a wreath or any other kind of decoration, or also if I want to tie it onto a package. So I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath. Now we have these 12-inch long pieces that we've already dovetailed the ends, and we're just going to lay these down in here. And also, please note that we have over 950 videos on our YouTube channel. And so definitely subscribe, because we come out with a brand new video every Wednesday, and we do lives at least once a week, and we go live so that way you'll be notified when we go live. And when we go live, we almost always give away a free roll of our scrunchy ribbon, or sometimes even a Bowdabra. So definitely want to watch us live to have the opportunity to win a prize. And now I'm just going to lay this down in here and lay this in here. So you can see we're basically just using scraps of ribbon. We cut these specifically for this bow, but you can pick, mix and match your scrap ribbons, and it makes a great bow that costs virtually nothing to make. And this is the kind of bow that anybody can make because it's so simple. Just going to scrunch that down. Take this ribbon here, lay this down into my Bowdabra, lay this piece down into my Bowdabra, and we'll give everything else a really good scrunch one more time. And the reason that I folded my wire in half before I put it in is because that way I have a slip knot. So I just pull it through my slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in my Bowdabra, pull it out, and now I'm never struggling with my bows. And I'm just going to separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and tie a knot, tie another knot, and now I'm just going to shape my bow. I'll bring this around here and bring these out and around. So I'm just pulling everything in opposite directions. Bring this here and bring this here. So you can see it starting to form. And now I'll bring these ribbons up here. So all I'm doing is just fluffing by pulling everything in opposite directions so it fluffs out. And because it's a wired ribbon, it fluffs really easily. And bring this around. So you can see how super simple this bow is. I'm just basically laying ribbon into the Bowdabra, and so now you have this absolutely beautiful holiday bow. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.